Before these dramatic images of the Reflections window washing crew rappelling from a high-rise building, there are hours, actually days and weeks, of preparation. This day starts with Reflections window washing reporting to the job site trailer of the general contractor. Orientation goes over specific site safety protocols. The Reflections window washing team then heads to the rooftop, each member of the team already specially trained for this mission.
Right now we're at about the 3-hour mark being on the job, and we haven't gone over the wall yet. So up to this point, we've been identifying our hazards for the day, things that we need to be careful of, and risks that we need to mitigate to really understand the job before we get into it.
Before rappelling, a binder of safety protocols opens up and is reviewed line by line.
Let's just do it right.
Those steps include insurance, anchor certification, employee logs, specific final inspections for the seat board, the harness, the ropes, and much more.
Did I inspect my lanyards? That's these that connect the carabiners right here.
Final preps include a game plan for the possible worst-case scenario.
Yeah, we have a 5-to-1 in our rescue kit.
Moments before rappelling, the general contractor wants to get one final look that each safety protocol has been followed. This also becomes an impromptu training opportunity for a huddle of young site managers.
That's the extra part of the rescue kit. Like if he's passed out, I can take that, go down, pick him up, put him onto my equipment, and take him down with my equipment.
Once the safety checklist is complete, it is time to jump into action. This entire glass facade for the new wing of this hospital is being washed by hand. Clients can rest assured not only of the personal touch of this cleaning job, but the peace of mind knowing the safety of the crew and the tenants remains a top priority. Get your free quote for high-rise window washing. Visit reflectionsww.com or just call 814-806-8020.